it's raining. I have not been productive this entire day and it's almost over. It's almost 4 p.m. and I haven't done anything. So my goal for today is to first feed myself. Then I have to clean my room because it's a mess. I washed my clothes last night, but I just forgot to put them away, so they're just on my bed. Then maybe give my dog a bath, depending how late it gets. I'm making oatmeal and biscuits and then some watermelon. I always have some sort of snack, and I really can't explain the oven mitt. I finished cleaning my room. Look. I don't know why, but she always likes to sit right there. In all of my videos, for some reason, she's always right there. So my room is pretty clean. I put all the stuff away, all the clothes, and I think I'm done.
Wake up, child, it's nearly noon. The sun is up, it beckons you. The air is warm like honey tea. I'm wanting you, you wanted me. You wanted me. He'll love you and he'll leave you, never hold you through the evening. I'll be there when he breaks you.
Guys, I found a nest right outside my door. I'm not sure if it has birds in it. I'm back, and I think for the rest of the night, thank you. I think for the rest of the night, I'm just... Are you done? Bye. What was I saying? Oh yeah, for the rest of the night, I think I'm just gonna read. That's why I put on my glasses and take a shower and get ready for bed. I might do some computer work before I fall asleep, some basic stuff, maybe some editing. Hi, it's the next day and I'm currently editing the vlog that you're watching. So I forgot to film an outro for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.